We will quickly deliver the news about the Middle East war through the sensor Stumina, which is always on the wall. Currently, one missing pilot has not been found. To locate him, a US Special Forces unit re-entered Iran at 7:40 a.m. Korean time, but the Iranian military hit an A-10 attack aircraft. While searching for the F-15 fighter pilot and providing close air support, the aircraft was reportedly shot. However, it was not shot down on the spot. It managed to reach Kuwait after being hit, but eventually crashed and was downed. The A-10 attack aircraft pilot succeeded in ejecting. Since this is Khuzestan in Iran, the Bakhtiari tribes of Khuzestan are searching for the missing American F-15 fighter pilot with rifles in hand. They have stated that they will find him. This is a scene of a US military helicopter searching for the F-15 fighter pilot. Iranian police opened fire on them. The helicopter was also damaged. This is northern Tehran. In northern Tehran, Iran's air defense system was activated. This is Tehran. Missiles are being launched toward Israel. This is Tehran. Huge flames are rising. Airstrikes are being carried out on Tehran. This is a scene of missiles being launched toward Israel. The missile is following a somewhat unusual trajectory. This is Israel. A rocket launched from northern Lebanon struck northern Israel, causing significant damage. This is Israel. Missiles launched by Iran are incoming. This is Beirut, Lebanon, where Israeli airstrikes continue to devastate the city. In Bahrain, a Patriot missile malfunctioned and landed in a residential area. This is the wreckage of a US Nokas attack drone discovered by the Iranian Revolutionary Guard in the Persian Gulf. The Israeli military has released footage of destroying a Hezbollah rocket launcher in southern Lebanon. Iran's Parse news agency reported that the US, via a third country, proposed a 48-hour ceasefire which Iran rejected. This fact is unconfirmed. The Israeli military said it attacked a Hamas group in northern Gaza after detecting a threat to its forces. The military says the attack removed the threat, while Palestinians report at least 6 injured. Israel is helping with the search and rescue operation for the US fighter jet that crashed over Iranian airspace, according to the Associated Press. The information came from an official who spoke anonymously before the US announcement. President Trump said in an interview with NBC that the issue of the missing F-15 pilot would not affect negotiations, stating, "This is war." The United States has advised its citizens to leave Lebanon while commercial flights remain available. According to a statement from US government officials, it is unlikely that the Hormuz talks will resume anytime soon. Russian President Vladimir Putin and Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan urged an immediate ceasefire in the escalating Middle East war on Friday, the Kremlin said. If there are updates, I'll make and upload another video. Thanks for watching.
Ja.